Today we are going to solve this equation to find the A solution. 4 power A times 4 power A equal to 80. A power m times A power n equal to A power m plus n. We are going to implement this here. So 4 power A plus A equal to 80. Now this is 4 power 2 times of A equal to 80. Now take a log on both sides. Log 4 power 2A equal to log 80. Now we know that log power formula, log m power p equal to p log m. 2a log 4 equal to log 80. Now divide by log 4 on both sides. Log 4 here, in right hand side log 4 here. This log 4 cancels this log 4. So we have 2a equal to log 80 by log 4. Now this 80 can be written as 80 equal to 16 times of 5. So 2a equal to log 16 times of 5 by log 4. Now therefore we know that log a b equal to log a plus log b. We are going to implement this. So 2a equal to log 16 plus log 5 by log 4. Now a plus b by c equal to a by c plus b by c. We are going to implement this here. So 2a equal to 16 log 16 by this log 4 plus log 5 by log 4. Log 5 by log 4. Now this 16 can be written as 16 equal to 4 times of 4. That means 4 power 2. So 2a equal to log, this 16 can be written as 4 power 2. So 4 power 2 by log 4 plus log 5 by log 4. As per this power law formula, this 2 comes here. So 2a equal to 2 log 4 by log 4 plus log 5 by log 4. This log 4 cancels this. So here it is 2. So 2a equal to 2 plus log 5 by log 4. Now this 4 can be written as 2 power 2. So 2a equal to 2 plus log 5 by log 2 power 2. So 2a equal to 2 plus log 5 by, this 2 comes here as per the log our formula, 2 log 2. So now we can written as 2a equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 log 5 by log 2. 2a equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 log 5 by log 2. Now we know that log a by log b equal to log a base b. This increment here. So 2a equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 log 5 base 2. Now divide by 2 on both sides. 2 here by 2 here. So this 2 cancels this. So a equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 times 2 here 2 log 5 base 2. So a equal to this cancels this here 1. So 1 plus 1 by 4 log 5 base 2. This is a. Now we are going to check this equation. Check in the equation 4 power a times 4 power a equal to 80. Now this value a implemented here. So 4 power 1 plus 1 by 4 log 5 base 2 times 4 power 1 plus 1 by 4 log 5 base 2 equal to 80. Now this can be written as per this previous formula. 4 power 2 times of 1 plus 1 by 4 log 5 base 2 equal to 80. Now we are multiplying this inside. So 4 power 2 plus 2 by 4 log 5 base 2 equal to 80. So we know that log of formula, we know this formula that a power m plus n equal to a power m times a power n. We are going to implement this here. So we'll get 4 power 2 times 4 power, this simplify this 2. So 1 by 2 log 5 base 2 equal to 80. This 4 power 2 this is 16 times of, this can be written as 2 power 2 open bracket 1 by 2 log 5 base 2 equal to 80. Now this 2 cancels this. So we have 16 times of 2 power log 5 base 2 equal to 8. We know that a power log b base a equal to b. We are going to implement this here. So as per that 16 times of 5 equal to 80. So 80 equal to 80. So LHS equal to RHS. This is equal. It is verified.